Toss-up 1. Physical science, short answer. The backwards recoil of firing an air rifle is best attributable to the conservation of what quantity? Answer: momentum. Bonus 1. Physical science, short answer. If the fundamental frequency of a guitar string is 260 Hz, what is the frequency, in Hertz, of the second harmonic? Answer: 520. Toss-up 2. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following best explains why the moon appears red during a total lunar eclipse? W. Reflection off other planetary surfaces. X. Scattering by dust in lunar orbit. Y. Refraction through the Earth's atmosphere. Z. Blackbody emission of light. Answer: Y. Refraction through the Earth's atmosphere. Bonus 2. Earth and space, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 models of the solar system that are geocentric. 1. Copernican, 2. Ptolemaic, 3. Tychonic. Answer: 2 and 3. Toss-up 3. Math, short answer. The temperature at 9 a.m. was 67 degrees Fahrenheit. If the temperature rose 3 degrees per hour, what was the temperature, in degrees Fahrenheit, at 3 p.m.? Answer: 85. Bonus 3. Math, short answer. What is 16 over 35 minus 12 over 25? Answer: -4 over 175. Toss-up 4. Energy, short answer. DOE researchers recently demonstrated the creation of a 2D transistor by etching molybdenum selenide into a pre-existing sheet of a 2D conductor. What is the common name of the conductor they used? Answer: graphene. Bonus 4. Energy, short answer. SLAC scientists shine high-energy X-ray laser pulses into various solid samples, resulting in the ejection of high-energy electrons. These ultra-high-intensity pulses last for only 1 femtosecond. Expressing your answer as 10 raised to a power, how many femtoseconds are in 1 second? Answer: 1015. Toss-up 5. Life science, short answer. What domain of life is the kingdom Animalia classified under? Answer: Eukarya. Bonus 5. Life science, multiple choice. A hospital technician centrifuges a vial of blood and notices a very thin milky white layer between 2 large layers. What can be found in these layers? W. Plasma. X. Red blood cells. Y. Bacteria. Z. Leukocytes. Answer. Z. Leukocytes. Toss-up, 6. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of these minerals would scratch all of the others? W. Fluorite. X. Orthoclase. Y. Gypsum. Z. Calcite. Answer. X. Orthoclase. Bonus, 6. Earth and space, multiple choice. What is the term for the maximum slope angle that a pile of loose sediment can sustain without falling or rolling downward? W. Interior angle. X. Exterior angle. Y. Angle of consolidation. Z. Angle of repose. Answer. Z. Angle of repose. Toss-up, 7. Energy, short answer. Researchers at Brookhaven National Lab, through the Daya Bay collaboration, are studying the particles that carry away about 5% of the energy released when uranium atoms in a fission reactor split. What particles are they studying? Answer. Neutrinos. Bonus, 7. Energy, short answer. DOE scientists have developed a method to visualize electric fields with a camera that uses a 1-atom-thick semiconductor as a sensor. This semiconductor is composed of what element? Answer. Carbon. Toss-up, 8. Math, short answer. What is the multiplicative inverse of -3/2? Answer, -2/3. Bonus, 8. Math, short answer. To the nearest whole number, what temperature in degrees Celsius is equivalent to 125 degrees Fahrenheit? Answer, 52. Toss-up, 9. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following is an example of diagenesis? W. Heating and compaction of sediment. X. Chemical conversion of dinitrogen gas to fixed nitrogen. Y. Reawakening of a dormant volcano. Z. Formation of a new iceberg. Answer. W. Heating and compaction of sediment. Bonus, 9. Earth and space, short answer. By definition, mafic rocks and minerals are rich in what two elements? Answer. magnesium and iron. Toss-up, 10. Life science, short answer. In what organelle do the reactions of the citric acid cycle occur? Answer: mitochondrion. Bonus, 10. Life science, multiple choice. A newborn baby was found to have 47 chromosomes. What is the term for this disorder? W. Chromosomal inversion. X. Chromosomal deletion. Y. Aneuploidy. Z. Chromosomal translocation. Answer: Y. Aneuploidy. Toss-up, 11. Energy, multiple choice. Analysts at Los Alamos National Laboratory have shown how to minimize environmental impacts by refracturing shale gas wells. Which of the following is not an environmental benefit of refracturing? W. Fewer wells need to be drilled. X. Natural gas is more efficiently removed from each well. Y. Carbon dioxide is deposited in a form of carbon sequestration. Z. Natural gas does not release harmful byproducts. Answer: Z. Natural gas does not release harmful byproducts. Bonus, 11. Energy, short answer. At the Fermilab Tevatron, one of the most common types of collisions resulting in the creation of top quarks resulted in the creation of a top quark-anti-top quark pair. What fundamental force mediates the creation of this quark-anti-quark pair? Answer: strong. Toss-up, 12. Physical science, short answer. Hydrocarbons are primarily composed of what two elements? Answer: carbon and hydrogen. In any order. Bonus, 12. Physical science, short answer. How many molecules of hydrogen gas are generated when two molecules of water are decomposed to form hydrogen gas and oxygen gas? Answer: 2. Toss-up, 13. Math, short answer. Expressing your answer to the nearest hundred, find the following sum: 733 plus 840 plus 362. Answer: 1900. Bonus, 13. Math, short answer. What is the area of an equilateral triangle with sides of length 22? Answer: 121 square root 3. Toss-up, 14. Life science, short answer. A biologist creates an artificial phospholipid bilayer that contains no transmembrane proteins. Identify all of the following three elements that can be encountered exactly halfway between the two layers. 1. phosphorus, 2. Oxygen, 3. Hydrogen. Answer, 3. Bonus, 14. Life science, short answer. What molecule is the carbon source in the Calvin cycle? Answer: CO2. Toss-up, 15. Physical science, short answer. How many lone pairs of electrons are present in the Lewis diagram of a water molecule? Answer: 2. Bonus, 15. Physical science, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 statements that are true for a gas-containing cylinder as the piston is depressed. 1. The volume decreases. 2. The gas particles collide more often. 3. The pressure decreases. Answer: 1 and 2. Toss-up, 16. Math, short answer. What is the average of the following 3 numbers? 6, 8, 13. Answer: 9. Bonus, 16. Math, short answer. A right triangle has leg lengths 2 and 5. A similar triangle has its shorter leg of length 6. To the nearest integer, what is the length of the hypotenuse in the larger triangle? Answer: 16. Toss-up, 17. Life science, short answer. In the cell membrane, which of the 4 biological macromolecule classes can be found as hormones and are also used to store energy? Answer: lipids. Bonus, 17. Life science, multiple choice. What type of mammalian muscle is under voluntary control? W. Smooth muscle. X. Skeletal muscle. Y. Cardiac muscle. Z. Rough muscle. Answer: X. Skeletal muscle. Toss-up, 18. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following is the nearest large spiral galaxy to Earth? W. Triangulum Galaxy. X. Large Magellanic Cloud. Y. Sombrero Galaxy. Z. Andromeda Galaxy. Answer: Z. Andromeda Galaxy. Bonus, 18. Earth and space, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 stars that are part of the main sequence. 1. The Sun, 2. Sirius, 3. Proxima Centauri. Answer: all. Toss-up, 19. Math, short answer. What is the degree measure of an angle that is the supplement of a 43-degree angle? Answer, 137. Bonus, 19. Math, short answer. Solve the following equation for x over the negative real numbers, x to the fourth power plus 4x squared minus 45 equals 0. Answer, minus square root 5. Toss-up, 20. Physical science, multiple choice. When making homemade ice cream, salt is added to crushed ice surrounding the cream mixture. Which of the following does not occur when the salt is added to the ice? W. The freezing temperature of the cream mixture is lowered. X. The freezing temperature of the ice is lowered. Y. The temperature of the system is lowered. Z. Some of the ice is melted. Answer. W. The freezing temperature of the cream mixture is lowered. Bonus, 20. Physical science, short answer. Identify all of the following three actions that can increase the rate of a reaction. 1. Increasing the temperature. 2. Decreasing the concentration of reactants. 3. Increasing the surface area of the reactants. Answer, 1 and 3. Toss-up, 21. Earth and space, short answer. The ring of fire occurs due to subduction of oceanic plates around the border of which ocean basin? Answer. Pacific. Bonus, 21. Earth and space, short answer. If you are living at 30 degrees north latitude, in what 2 months will you experience days and nights of equal length? Answer. March, September. Toss-up, 22. Life science, multiple choice. Which of the following does not demonstrate external radial symmetry? W. Sea anemones. X. Jellyfish. Y. Coral. Z. Eels. Answer. Z. ELS. Bonus, 22. Life science, short answer. What organs do spiders use to spin silk? Answer. Spinnerets. Toss-up, 23. Physical science, short answer. What physical property of a sound wave corresponds to its volume? Answer. Amplitude. Bonus, 23. Physical science, short answer. Identify all of the following three statements that are true of work in machines. 1. Power is a measure of the rate at which work is done. 2. A wedge is a combination of inclined planes. 3. Mechanical advantage is always greater than or equal to 1. Answer: 1 and 2.